Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I finally got my Glam Bag X in the mail. This is a new subscription with Ipsy, the first from the Glam Bag X that they ever came out with. So I'm excited to see what I got in here. This is a whopping $50. It's replacing the Ipsy Ultimate, so there will be no more Ipsy Ultimate boxes. I'm excited to see like what the hype was about this. I kind of got this because I'm like, I want to see that eyeshadow palette because I don't have any palettes like that. So I'm excited to get that palette and to try it out. Not excited that it was $50, but you get to pick 3 things out of the box, which I like. And this is supposed to be like all full-size items, not travel-size items like the Ipsy Ultimate. So let's see what's in here. Did you guys, anybody get the Glam Bag X from my subscribers? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you liked it. I'm about to find out what I got and see if I like it. But if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before I dig into this new subscription from Ipsy, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love makeup, so I do lots of makeup hauls on this channel, makeup subscription boxes, mystery boxes, anything makeup related on this channel. So if those are things that you guys like to watch, then I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. If you do, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a new video. And that's really about it. We're going to dig in and see what I got. Alrighty, so the box looks kind of similar to Ipsy Ultimate, except for this time around it's purple. It's giving me Ipsy Ultimate vibes, but let's see if it does a little bit better. This is supposed to be a box in collaboration with Patrick Ta, who is a YouTuber on YouTube. So this is what it says, Glam Bag X, and that's Patrick Ta right there. Let's see what I got. Okay, so like I said, everything's supposed to be full size. Like Ipsy Ultimate, you would get some travel size, deluxe sizes, and I'm just like, about that. But nevertheless, now we get full-size items for everything. So you kind of feel like you get more bang for your buck. We get this nice little, normally Ipsy gives like a card with the prices, but now it looks like they're giving like these little booklets. Nice little stuff to read in here. All the stuff that he used on his model. So I'm super excited. Look at that, all of that. Alrighty, so first of all, I need to go straight to what I was like excited to get, which was this bad boy right here. Look at this bad boy. Rose Gold Palette, remastered by Huda Beauty. And I just got this Huda Beauty that I just finished unboxing in my BoxyCharm. So now I have 2 Huda Beauty palettes all in one day. So excited. All right, so let's see here what this palette looks like. Does anybody have this palette? I do not. Look how pretty. Yes, Huda Beauty. I'm here for it. I'm here for this palette. Very pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try. I may wear this palette tomorrow. Look how pretty, guys. I'm super excited to try this palette out. Yes, these are beautiful colors for me. I wish they had like prices. I mean, I know this palette's not cheap. Is it like 40 or 60? I do not know. Let me see if it has the prices on here. No, they talk about the product, but there's no prices. So, but I know it wasn't cheap. So excited to try this out. So the first thing I love, I know this is one of the choices. I chose the Beauty Blender I have so many beauty blenders. I swear, like every subscription box, I get like once in one of them for the month. But this is the original one, the OG one, who started the beauty blenders. And I feel like you can never have too much beauty blenders. So happy for that. So that's 2 for 2 so far. Another thing I did choose the Ahava Dead Skin Hand Cream. I have the blue one that I want to say I got in BoxyCharm. So now I have this pink one. I don't know how it smells. Actually, funny story. I have the blue one on right now that I got, the blue hand cream that I got from BoxyCharm. Let me see what this one smells like. This one says Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, Cactus and Pink Pepper. But I already have hand cream on, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell it. Oh, it smells a little bit sweeter. It smells sweeter, so very excited for this. So now I have 2. All right, so far I like 3 for 3. The next thing I got is a Pat McGrath mascara. I will not be using this yet because obviously I have so many mascaras from all these makeup subscription boxes that I subscribe to. But nevertheless, I don't own anything from Pat McGrath, so I'm excited because all of her stuff is very expensive. So your girl just got a Pat McGrath something. It says Pat McGrath Fetish Eye Mascara Extreme Black. Gives a fullness and maximum volume. So very excited to try this mascara out. That's what it looks like. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, so excited for that. What else did we get here? I got, this was another one of my choices. A Gentle Foam Face Cleanser by First Aid Beauty. I like foam cleansers just because they're easy. You don't have to like lather anything up. You can just use them. So can't wait to try this out. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm loving the 5 things that I got. And the box still continues. I got a mascara. What is this? A lip paint. Oh, this is cute. Look at this, guys. A little, what brand is this? It says About Face. That's a brand, I think. About Face. That's what it says on the box, anyway. Very cute. This is definitely an Aisha color. I love plums, burgundies, browns, like all those warm shades. So I'm definitely loving this shade. So I'm liking everything so far. I did see that we got something from the Patrick Ta collection. I didn't think that this matched my shade from looking at it on the internet, but let's see what it looks like in person. I may have to give this away in one of my giveaways. It looks kind of light, but let's see in person. I like his packaging. His packaging is very cute. I'm here for the rose gold. You guys know I love rose gold. I mean, look at my scissors. Look at my mirror. Like, can you guys tell I love rose gold here? So, I'm here for the rose gold. Let's see what this color looks like, though. Yeah, this is a no-go for darker skin tones, such as myself. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but it's not, I'm not going to be able to wear this. It looks darker on camera than in person, but it's very light. It's not going to really show up on my skin tone. On somebody lighter, it will. So I definitely will give this away. My next giveaway is going to be when I hit 1,000 subscribers. To show my appreciation to everyone who has been subscribing to me. So look out for that. And that one's going to be, like, you don't have to be from the United States. That's going to be open to everyone. But very excited for this. But I'm going to give it away. Excited for the person who's going to win this. The next thing I got is from the brand 111 Skin. I never know if it's 111 Skin or I think it's 111 Skin. All I know is they're very expensive. So anything from them you get, make sure you try it. This is Serum Day Cream. Let's see here. So it even just feels like expensive. Look at this, guys. Look at this bad boy. Feels heavy, feels bougie. Got the 111 skin on the top. Excited for that because I like trying skincare that's expensive. I don't like trying too much skincare, but the expensive ones I'll definitely try because I normally wouldn't buy that for myself. So excited to try that. So far, wow, I really like everything here for once. And the next thing I got is a complex culture. I'm guessing this is a brush. So 1, 2, this wasn't a choice of mine. But I mean, I love brushes, so I'm here for it. Oh wait, actually I was wrong. This wasn't a brush. This is like a face roller for your face. It's like cooling on the face. It feels very nice. Ooh, this feels nice. Very nice. Very nice. I'm not going to put it on my face because I'm going to wash this first before I put it on my face. But I mean, I have the rollers, but I don't have something like this. So I think I'll keep it just because it's different. The complex culture is like a Ipsy brand. They always promoting their stuff. I get it. If I had my brand, I would do the same thing too. So I'm here for it, and I'm excited to try it out. So that's the only thing I think that like I'm not like thrilled to get. Well, actually two. These two things like I could have passed on. The blush because it's too light for me. And although this is cool and innovative and I am gonna use it, it's not something that I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it. Like I'm so excited to try. I can't wait to try it. I gotta try it right now. Yeah, no. But everything else I'm excited for. I'm excited for the moisturizer. I'm excited for my new lip. I'm excited for my new cleanser. I'm excited for my new Pat McGrath mascara. We bougie over here. My beauty blender. My Ahava. Sorry about that. My Ahava Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream, full size. And my new Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. I remember when this came out, this was like hyped so much, like you couldn't get it. So I finally get one. This was a hook and punch that got everybody to subscribe to this box. I'm telling you, everybody wanted this palette, including myself. So they got me. Thank you, Ipsy. You guys got me. But that's really about it. What you guys think about my video? If you guys liked my video, it really helps if you guys give me a little lovely thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill already. And then stay tuned for my next unboxings. I have a lot more to go over here. Look at this. We still going strong. We still going strong over here. All these stuff I gotta do. All of these stuff. The boxes go on and on. So stay tuned for my next box. I don't even know which one I'm gonna do next. I normally pick one, but stay tuned for another subscription unboxing very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.